Next, in Scratch, we are going to see how we can increase the size of the sprite using loop. So this is our cat sprite. Here I am setting its size, initial size to 200%. So this is 200 size. Now I'll go to events, and in events, when green flag is clicked, then what we have to do, we'll go to looks, and in looks, here we are provided with option set size to 100%. So whenever I click this cat will go from 200% to 100%. You can see here. So as of now, I'm increasing the size from 100 to 200 again. Now we'll go to control, and in control we are provided with option repeat 10. This is a kind of loop. Whatever we'll put in this loop will be repeated for 10 times. And again we'll go to looks, and in looks we are provided with option set size to, this change size by 10. So whenever you click this green flag, original size of this cat from 200 will go to 100%. Then this loop will be repeated for 10 times, and each time it is going to increase the size of sprite by 10% and making it 200%. So here we can see that it has increased the size of cat from 100% to again 200%.